So you're looking for a solution to put subtitles on your short form content. Well, I'm going to break down today for you a AI software that I've been using inside my business to take long form content, break it down into short bite-sized pieces that have the likelihood to go viral, and it puts the subtitles on it. Let's take a look at the AI called Opus Clip. So when you come into Opus Clip here, you're going to sign up and make an account. And it's going a simple dashboard. It just pretty much prompts you right here to drop a link in. So you're going to drag and drop your video file into here. So let's just quickly do that. And we'll grab the one that I did here. So Opus Clip intro. And I put that inside here. It's going to upload. It takes a couple of seconds to do that, depending on how big the video file is. Okay, now once you're all uploaded here, it's going to tell you to get clips in 1 minute. You can go in here and you can set the captions, however, what language you want the captions in. It's going to say that you have so many hours and credits as well. Each month, those credits are going to add and reset. You can do templates if you have something that you've pre-constructed as far as how you want the text being done. So here's one that's simple. You have karaoke. You have, if you want Mr. Beast style, you can put Mr. Beast style. They have this style here. You can go all the way down to Alex Hormozi style, whatever you want to do. I'm typically over here in just the karaoke style because I like that. Then down here, you're going to either auto from anywhere from 0 minutes to 3 minutes. You can say, I want everything being no less than 30 seconds and no more than 60 seconds, or I want everything 60 to 90 seconds, whatever you want to do. If I'm just doing the shorts, like I had mentioned, just creating a 1 minute video with the market update, then I'm just going to put in auto inside here. It's going to spit out the one that's a full minute for me. Typically, I've not had any issues with that. Once I've done this, I'm going to click get the clips and it's going to do its thing. Once everything is done, then it's going to send you a once everything is done, it's going to send you an email. And once you got that email, you're going to have a link that comes in and tells you to go check out your clips. So I'm going to show you some ones that I've done before in the past so you can see. So I'm going to go over to my dashboard, look at all my projects. Here's the one that I just did for the January market update. So it's given me grades on the hook, the flow, the engagement, and the trend. So here is what it did. Hope you enjoyed the Super Bowl yesterday, Super Bowl Sunday. Way to go, Chiefs. Woohoo! I thought it was only fitting if we started the day off, the week off, with an update on how the real estate market kicked off for January 2024. So that's pretty cool. Now you can go into here, you can edit inside Premiere Pro. I'm not that techie, so I'm not going to edit inside Premiere Pro. I'm pretty much just in AI software or in CapCut or iMovie. You can go in here, edit the clip inside here. You can edit what's been highlighted, change things within the caption, like say there was, so down here you can see that I've removed the word right here. So I've removed that. You can change the different highlights. You can change the color that you want to highlight. So say you got some branding colors that you want to use, you can put that inside there. In here, you can go design. So you can change it to whatever format that you want that best fits. You can change how big the positioning is inside here. I've used styles in the past where I had a template overlay that I used that had branding around it, and I wanted everything to fit within that template, so I've utilized that. They do have beta testing right now going on with putting B-roll into that. I typically don't touch the B-roll. I just use this for creating the captions. So, and then you can change the different styles within here as well. You can change the orientation of where the captions appear. So you can have it either be top, middle, or bottom. I typically like to have it at bottom and have it more at eye level with my face. so that people are looking at my face while the captions are coming up, but at least the captions are cutting my face off. So hopefully this helps with that. Once you've done any edits inside here, you're going to save it and compile, and it takes a couple of seconds to render, and then you'll have that back. What I love about Opus Clip is it's great out of the box. It really selects the right clips when you take that long form content, such as, say, an interview video, and you're looking to find some clips to share on social media. It does a good job out the box selecting those clips, and they're fairly accurate. So all of the subtitles, any subtitle AI that I've come across, whether it be CapCut, whether it be other caption software that's out there, this does a very good and accurate job right out the box. So not a whole lot of post editing after you've been given the clips, which is, that's a bonus for me, especially if I've created a 1-minute piece that I'm just looking to clean it up and add the subtitles. This does an amazing job right out of the box. If you're looking to give Opus Clip a try, we have an affiliate link down in the description below, so please support our channel by using that link. And don't forget to like and subscribe as we bring you more tech tips and tricks to help you grow your business.